Welcome back, students. In this video we will discuss about the mean deviation property of uniform distribution. Okay, after that we will start our gamma distribution. So mean deviation about mean for which distribution? For uniform distribution. What was the formula? Firstly, it is denoted by neta, and the formula is expectation of modulus x minus x bar, because about mean we are calculating. And what is the mean of uniform distribution? That mean is a plus b by 2, x minus a plus b by 2. This is open as a to b because limit of uniform distribution in which your x will lie is a to b. So a to b mod of x minus a plus b by 2 into fx dx. I have taken this integration because this is continuous function. Alright, so a to b x minus a plus b by 2 1 upon में b minus a dx. b minus a is independent of this x, so it will come outside. Okay, now at this point this is modulus is given to you, so I will break my limit where it will change its value at a plus b by 2. So I will break my limit from a to a plus b by 2. A say a plus b by 2, that means on left side of a plus b by 2 that it will have negative value. So it will open as minus x plus a plus b by 2 dx plus में 1 upon में b minus a as it is. Now from a plus b to b, yeah, b by 2 to b, from right side it will have positive value dx, because mod x, how will we define this mod x? Minus x is wait, take here minus 1 with you so that it will be easy for you to understand. If x is less than 1 तो x minus 1 होगा negative का. If x is greater than equal to 1 तो x minus 1 होगा. Equality you can take here or here, it is your choice, but less than 1 में it will have negative, greater than 1 में it will have positive sign. So this thing I used there. Now you know कि sum of mean deviation about mean is 0. Sum of mean deviation about mean is 0. If this is 0, then what will you have? If this is 0, then this value and this value will be equal to each other. So in place of the first one value, I am putting the second one. If two things are equal, then in place of one thing I can use the second thing, or in place of second thing I can use the first thing. So here in place of this complete term I am using this term. So it will be, by this result, 1 upon में b minus a, it will be 2 times, because ये इसके equal हो गया. I am writing this term, so I am writing it 2 times, so directly I am writing 2 here. 1 upon b minus a as it is, a plus b by 2 से b x minus a plus b by 2 dx. Now integrate it. 2 upon में b minus a, integration of this will be x square by 2 minus a plus b by 2x, and integration limit is from a plus b by 2 to b. Done. Now put the values of x, first the upper limit then lower limit. So 2 upon में b minus a as it is. Firstly I am putting upper limit, that will be b square by 2 minus it will be a plus b by b. So I am directly writing here ab plus b square. Done this first upper limit minus lower limit आएगी a plus b by 2 का whole square divide by 2 minus a plus b into, और here also a plus b by 2 का whole square. How it is coming? A plus b by 2 is already here. In place of x, we will write a plus b by 2. So it will be square of this complete term. So open the bracket again. 2 upon में b minus a. b square by 2. I am taking the LCM in this first term. b square by 2. जब LCM लूँगी, this minus will multiplied with these plus signs here. So it will be minus ab minus b square by 2. Okay. यहाँ पे minus 1 upon में 2 a square plus b square plus 2ab upon में 4 minus a square plus b square plus 2ab upon में again 4. This and this will cancel out each other. 2 upon में b minus a as it is minus ab by 2. यहाँ से minus, do one thing, let's take the LCM. LCM जो है that will be 4 to the 8. Directly I am taking the LCM. 8 will be your LCM. Okay. 2 4 the 8, तो minus 4ab. यहाँ पे 4 to the 8 8. तो just sign will be changed, minus a square minus b square minus 2ab. And the next one में here it is 4, here it is 8. तो multiply by 2 and change all the signs. Minus 2a square. Wait. यहाँ पे minus, here it will be plus, है ना? ये when I open the bracket, ये वाली bracket when I open, I didn't change the sign, but here sign will also change. तो ये plus 2a square हो गया plus 2b square plus 4ab. तो when you solve this, you will get this minus 4ab से this plus 4ab will cancel out. तो 2 by में b minus a, यहाँ पे 2a square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab upon में 8. 2 4 is 8 and this will be b minus a का whole square upon में 4 b minus a, which will be b minus a by 4. This is the value of neta in uniform distribution. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe the channel.